Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is about two-digit dividends. We are going to learn it here the easy way. We are going to learn today how to carry out division with and without remainder. Division is the opposite of multiplication, and the parts of division are written here. The dividend is the amount that you want to divide up, while divisor is the number that divides, and the answer to the division is called quotient. There are only 4 steps in division. First, divide, then multiply, after that, subtract, and finally you are going to bring down. So, our acronym is Dad, Mom, Sis, and Bro. DMSB. Okay? Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. 85 divided by 5. The first step is to divide. How many 5 are there in 8? There's one 5 in 8. Next, you're going to multiply the quotient 1 by the divisor 5. So, 1 times 5 is 5. After that, you're going to subtract 5 from 8. Accordingly, 8 minus 5 is 3. Following that is we're going to bring down the 5. And we can make up 35. After that, we are going to divide again. How many 5 are there in 35? There are 7 5 in 35. That is why we're going to write 7 on top of 5 in the quotient. Then, we're going to multiply 7 from the quotient and 5 from the divisor. Therefore, 7 times 5 is 35. Finally, we're going to subtract 35 from 35, which will give us 0. Therefore, 85 divided by 5 will give us 17. And the step that we apply from the division process is DMSB. Only. Let's work on another example again so that you can hit it off. 52 divided by 4. Number 1 step is division. How many 4 are there in 5? There is one 4 in 5. Next, we're going to multiply 1 from the quotient and 4 from the divisor. 1 times 4 is 4. Afterwards, we're going to subtract 4 from 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then, we're going to bring down the 2, which will give us 12. Furthermore, we're going to divide again. How many 4 are there in 12? There are 3 4s in 12. We're going to write the 3 on top of 2 on the quotient. Moreover, we're going to multiply the 3 from the quotient and 4 from the divisor. Therefore, 3 times 4 will give us 12. Finally, we're going to subtract 12 from 12, which will give us 0. Accordingly, 52 divided by 4 is 13. Let's work on another example so that you can understand the lesson well. What if there is a remainder? Let's try 31 divided by 2. The first step is to divide. How many 2 are there in 3? There's 1, 2 in 3. Next, we are going to multiply 1 from the quotient by 2 in the divisor. Therefore, 1 by 2 is 2. Afterwards, we're going to subtract 2 from 3. Therefore, 3 minus 2 is 1. Moreover, we're going to bring down the 1, and it will give us 11. Can you spot the cycle? Can you spot the steps? It is only DMSB. We're going to repeat that cycle or steps once we still have numbers to divide. We still have numbers to divide. Therefore, we're going to divide again. How many 2 are there in 11? There are 5 2s in 11. Therefore, we're going to write 5 on the quotient on top of 1. And we're going to multiply again. Multiply 5 by 2. 5 from the quotient and 2 from the divisor, which will give us 10. Finally, we're going to subtract 10 from 11. Therefore, 11 minus 10 is 1. Accordingly, our remainder is 1. 31 divided by 2 is 15, remainder 1. Let's work on another example so that you can perfectly understand the lesson. 71 divided by 6. Our first step is to divide. How many 6 are there in 7? And our answer is 1. There's 1 6 in 7. Next, we are going to multiply the 1 in the quotient and the 6 from the divisor. Therefore, 1 times 6 is 6. Afterwards, we're going to subtract 6 from 7. Accordingly, 7 minus 6 is 1. Then, we are going to bring down the 1, which will give us 11. Furthermore, we're going to divide again. How many 6 are there in 11? There's only 1 6 in 11. Likewise, we're going to multiply the 1 from the quotient and the 6 from the divisor, which will give us 1 times 6 is 6. Subsequently, we're going to subtract 6 from 11. Therefore, 11 minus 6 will give us 5. Accordingly, our remainder is 5. Therefore, 71 divided by 6 will give us 11, remainder 5. To wrap it up in dividing number, always remember the DMSB. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Okay? In division, just remember your dad, mom, sis, and bro. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down, and everything will be easier for you. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Revise it again, watch it carefully, slowly, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I want you to score high in math, then be wise and healthy. Okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!